Hello, and welcome to day 3, Wednesday, June 9th. It is a Wednesday. That means it's an async day. We will not meet on Zoom as a class. However, I do have speaking tests with some people this morning. So, Emperatriz at 10 o'clock, Grace 10:20, Miladis 10:40. Okay, so please make sure you come on during your time. And let's see what you have to do for async. You have one activity and it's a vocabulary review. You're going to click this link. You're going to practice all of the some words that we did during the in the book. Okay. And there are different activities. You'll do flashcards so you can practice the word and the definition. After you do that, you can learn, do some activities. You look at the definition and you choose which word. You can do write, where you're given the definition and you write the vocabulary word. You can do spell, where you listen and type what you hear. You have test, where you take a test about the words and the definitions. And you have match, where you click and drag. So you take the word and you put it where you think it belongs. Okay, think where it belongs. Okay. Then gravity, you'll put on easy and term, and you look at the definition and you type the word. I don't know this one, LOL. And you type the word. See the next one. A whistleblower. And then if you don't know, you press escape, it'll tell you. Okay. You have to type it fast. All right. And that's it for your async activity. Remember to continue working on your racial inequality essay. Started making corrections on some of the essays that have been started, and we will continue working that on Thursday. Remember, the essay is due on Monday. And that's it. Good luck.